Not all the humans ever dreamt of space. Some of us might have looked at the night sky and wonder at our past. And some of us wish we could reach there. As cosmology cradled, those days are gone. Our time is limited. So let us take a femtosecond, at least, amidst our exhausting life practices, and shall dream like a small kid at the hearts of space and time.
Let me begin with Mercury. Positioned 2.8 million miles from the Sun, Mercury is the smallest planet, only slightly larger than our Moon. In 88 days, it completes its revolution around the Sun. It has solid crater surface like the Moon, and Sun appears 3 times bigger as we seen from the Earth. Next is Venus, Roman goddess of victory. 6.6 million miles from the Sun, Venus is nearly Earth-sized. One day on Venus is 243 Earth days. Sun rises in the west and sets in the east. Its surface full of volcanic landscapes on mountains. It was once believed there was a world. Still research is going on. The Akatsuki is the currently orbiting spacecraft around it. Due to the massive wind blows and the hurricanes, makes this atmosphere more dynamic. This is Mars, placed to trillion mysteries. It's 13.4 million miles from the Sun, and it's smaller than the Earth. Its surface mostly altered by the volcanoes, impact winds, crystal movements, and chemical reactions. It has 2 moons, Deimos and Phobos, which refers to planet, and several missions visited there, like the Pathfinder, Curiosity. It's mostly red because iron mineralized oxidize or rust causes it to look red. Then comes the gaseous giant, what called the Jupiter. It is 50 million miles from the Sun. Its atmosphere is made up of mostly hydrogen and helium. It has rings too. It's believed that the some of the moons of the Jupiter have oceans beneath their crests and support life. The red spot is a gigantic storm, twice as the surface size of the Earth, raged over centuries. Exactly 93.5 million miles from the Sun, the beauty, the majesty of our solar system, Saturn is a colossal planet out there. It can float on water since it has very low density. Its atmosphere has hot air and the gases. It has 53 moons. The ring around it is made up of ice, rocks, and dust. And the Cassini spacecraft visited there in 2004. The 7th planet is Uranus. This cyan-colored gaseous stuff is exactly 191 million miles from the Sun. Sun rises in the west and sets in the east. It's an ice giant. It has icy materials like water, methane, and ammonia. It has 27 moons. It also got rings, the 13th. Bathed in blue, 278 million miles from the Sun, the Neptune is the farthest member of our solar system. It also contains icy materials. It has 6 known rings. It's regarded as the coldest planet in the solar system. Did I miss something? Something that supports life and makes us possible? Or did I miss something which is home for a trillion organisms and plants? Perhaps I missed something that's born from mighty Lord himself, the place from which this is all possible. For that to have existed, I am extremely grateful.